Let me share the easiest and the healthiest way to prepare your puff puff or bofrot. We are making wheat bofrot or puff puff. This was absolutely delicious, very fluffy, soft, and the outcome was nothing but perfect. Just look at that. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. Let's start with today's activity. So I have with me here my 2 cups of milk. That is what I'm pouring. You can use water instead, or you can use any milk of your choice, but that is whole milk. Whole milk. Now I am just going to add my yeast, okay? But before that, you have to ensure the milk is warm. So we kept this in the we microwaved it for 30 seconds before it became warm, okay? Because it was in the fridge. So make sure your milk is warm to speed up the activation of the yeast. Now the yeast is dry active yeast. That is why we are going through all these process. I've added a tablespoon of yeast, a tablespoon of sugar to the milk. We will mix it very well, keep it in a warm place so we see bubbles on top. When you see bubbles on top, it means your yeast is active, and that's the time that you will see, or you will know whether it is active or not. It depends on the temperature in your area or wherever you're going to keep the milk, okay? When it is very warm, it is going to speed up, and when it is very cold, it will take a very long time. So mine took about 7 minutes and it was perfectly done. After that, I added my 3 cups of wheat flour. So if you don't like wheat, you can use all-purpose flour, soft flour, and you are good to go. Now I've added my 1/2 cup of sugar. I then add my 1/2 tablespoon of nutmeg. If you add a nutmeg, oh my goodness, it adds some flavor to your bofrot or puff puff. Go ahead and add your vanilla if you prefer that, but with this recipe I added both vanilla and then my nutmeg. So we are just going to mix all these ingredients and then we proceed. But before that, I added extra 1/2 cup of milk to our milk, so making 2.5 cups of milk, a tablespoon of yeast, 1/2 cup of sugar plus a tablespoon of sugar, and then a tablespoon of nutmeg, and then I added a tablespoon of vanilla. So now I'm mixing it very well till it becomes uniform, and from that we are going to add any other ingredients that we are supposed to add, if only we are going to add some, okay? So we share easy recipes here, and trust me, you will love it. So please do not hesitate to subscribe or follow for more videos. It is absolutely free if today is the first time here, okay? My returning ones, thank you so much for always spending some time with me. I don't take it for granted. I am so grateful for your precious time. Yes, so now this is what we have, and we are going to leave this in a warm place till it increases in size. It depends on the temperature at your area, okay? My room is very warm, so it did not take a longer time. I went ahead to add some salt, a pinch of salt to it before we keep this in a warm place. So mine took some few minutes, about 30 minutes, and it was done. But if your place is warm, it's cold, okay, it is going to take a longer time. I have experienced that before. It took about 2 hours for my mixture or my batter to increase in size. So in case it did not after 30 minutes it did not increase, do not say this lady lied to me. If you have if it is sunny at your place, you can even keep it outside and then cover it. It will increase in size, and just look at that. It has doubled in size, and we will take some of the air out, and then we will go ahead and fry this. When dropping your bofrot or puff puff, it is very easy, but some people find it very difficult to drop. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you how you're going to drop it. You just drop it in between your thumb and then the next finger to your thumb, just like this. See, simple as a mia baby, no, like you are squeezing something. Okay, you can just drop it this way as well, and that is also perfect. But that doesn't make the work faster for me. That is why I always prefer it this way. Okay, but if you do it the other way, it is also perfect, and you will get the perfect outcome that we are looking for. And just look at that. Those puff puff look absolutely good, and it tasted very nice. I think my favorite puff puff is wheat. Yes, it is so good. So if you haven't tried that before, just try it and let me know the result, because I know very well it will turn out perfect and you will bring me positive results. Flip it to the other side if the other side is well fried, and make sure the fire is not too much. Okay, yes, just take your time and then prepare this so that the inside can also cook very well. It has happened to me before. I prepared bofrot and the inside did not cook. Some of them it was well cooked, but getting to the end I realized that I was behind time because I had to go to a place, and trust me, the inside did not cook well. I will tell you the truth, as you know. So make sure the fire is not too much. Have time for it, and if you don't have time, don't even venture, don't even try to prepare it. Okay, do it the day that you have time. So this particular one, I put it in the fridge, went out, and when I came back I prepared it, and we got perfect outcome. Now let me open it to you and see. Perfect. Just look at how soft it looks, and very fluffy inside. Outside was crunchy, and oh my goodness, just like the one we sell outside. And like I said earlier, wheat puff puff is my favorite. Anything wheat, I love it. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.